Today, you are going to learn how you can use AIs to find online arbitrage leads, profitable online arbitrage leads, I should add. So we are not going to use, and I'm sorry if I clickbaited you, I'm sorry, we are not going to use ChatGPT. We are not going to use all those new stuff that is going on, I know that is trending, but we are going to use the next best thing. And it's a tool that is underestimated by a lot of you guys, and it's actually not the next best thing, it's the best, it's the better thing, I should say. So sorry once again if I clickbaited you. Let's get into the computer. Let's get into Bed Bath and Beyond. Let's say you found this product that is actually profitable. By the way, just a quick gift for you guys if you watched this video until here. This product right now is actually profitable. It's actually a great lead. It's making money if you can find a good enough discounted gift card, which there's a lot of great discounted gift card for this website. Just look it up. You know where to look. I have a whole video on the subject. I'm not going to talk about it anymore. You know where to look. Okay, and you're smart. You'll figure it out. If you watch my other videos, you're going to figure it out. This is a great lead. Okay? This is a great lead. You can use AIs. Companies spend a lot of money. Companies such as Bed Bath and Beyond spend a lot of money. So when you go on their website, you actually spend more money that you like they spend a lot of money to develop AIs just to do this. So when you go to when you go to their website, you're gonna spend more money. Like you're not just gonna buy one product, you're gonna spend more money, you're gonna find other products. How can you take advantage of that AI, of that technology to make more money yourself, to find more profitable leads? Super simple. It's called the rabbit trail method. Just scroll down a little bit, scroll down, and you're gonna find this little section, frequently bought together. What is going to be recommended in that section? You are gonna get product recommendation for products that if other resellers actually bought this product, right? And they found other products on the website that are profitable, those products are going to be showed there because they are frequently bought together. Like put 2 and 2 together. That's it. That's the method. So now go ahead and go make some money. Before you leave, that's not it. Keep scrolling a little bit. There's another algorithm of recommendation, which is called, this section is called You May Also Like. You may also like those products because the algorithm, the AI figured out that if you buy this product, which is an item a lot of people actually buy on Amazon because it's profitable to flip, you may also like other items that may also be profitable to flip, right? So by using this method, I believe that today I sold probably $200, $300 of items today that were found with just this method. So not with tactical arbitrage, not with reverse sourcing, not just with this specific method, right? So go ahead, try it, implement it every day, implement it in your process, go ahead, try it, do it every day, make some more money. I'll see you tomorrow for another video at 3 p.m.